Peace and wellness, fam. Let's jump right into it. We're dealing with the optimization of one's health, or the regaining of one's health, utilizing the modalities of plant-based nutrition, herbs, fasting, and intelligent exercise. I focus a lot of my personal health regimen around the utilization of fasting, specific herbs, and intelligent exercise. These are the key tools that are allowing me to regain my health slowly but surely. Sacrifice is a big part of this process. Are you willing to sacrifice?